Hello, good afternoon. My name is Dr. Chudi Fundu of Snowspirations Global Health Solutions. Thank you and welcome to our clinic on weekend. Today we're going to look at a very important question about the possibility of pregnancy without penetrative sex. Possibility of pregnancy in virgins. So is it possible for a virgin to get pregnant? Is it possible for pregnancy to happen when there is no contact directly between the penis and the vagina? What are the possibilities of a virgin getting pregnant? That's going to be the basis for today's discussion. And I want to encourage you to quickly hop into the clinic. When you join, let's know who you are. So I need to know your name. My name is Dr. Chudi Ufondu. I'm going to be your convener this afternoon. And we're going to spend about 20 minutes to understand the possibility of pregnancy happening in a virgin. Depending on your own understanding of a virgin, is it possible for a lady who is classified as a virgin to become pregnant? It will surprise you what you might learn this afternoon. So let's quickly rally. When you join, let's know your name, your location, and I'm going to start. Okay, so once we're done with this particular one, I'm going to have another repeat broadcast in Facebook. So if you're not able to participate in YouTube, don't worry. I'm going to have a repeat broadcast in Facebook. All right, so let's start. Now, what do you think? Is it possible for a virgin to be pregnant? Now, it depends on the definition of virginity. You see, to some people, a virgin is described as a lady who has not had penetrative sex. So penetrative sex means a lady who the penis has not entered the vagina. This is the vagina. This hollow cylindrical structure is the vagina. So in some cultures, in some settings, a virgin is described as a lady who has not received a penis. This is called penetrative sex. Now, in some other cultures and in some other situations, a virgin will be described as a lady who has never had any type of sexual contact with any man. So sexual contact can be non-penetrative sexual contact or penetrative sexual contact. So it depends on where you're coming from. But this is the truth. A virgin can become pregnant, depending on the definition. So virgin pregnancies are very rare, but it can happen. Now, having unprotected sexual intercourse comes with possibility of becoming pregnant, especially if you're younger. So it's not entirely impossible to believe you can become pregnant when you're a virgin. But when you are younger, you are more fertile. You have more eggs. Possibility of becoming pregnant is higher. So virginity, it's not a protection against pregnancy. You can be a virgin and you can become pregnant. How can this happen? So there are certain extra penetrative sexual contacts. So this virgin might actually engage in foreplay. This virgin might actually be naked. This virgin might actually kiss the partner. This virgin might have bodily contact with the penis. Now, anytime there is contact between the penis and the vagina, erect penis, pregnancy is possible. In the course of an erect penis sighting the vagina, there might be some emission from the penis. It's called pre-ejaculation or pre-cum. That particular fluid that comes out from the penis can impregnate a woman. We have had situations of women that were not involved in penetrative sex. So I wanted to distinguish between penetrative sex and non-penetrative sex. If you have a boyfriend, if you have a partner, but you guys are not getting in, the penis is not going in, but the man is playing around the vagina, pregnancy is possible. So once the semen enters or touches the vagina, possibility that that semen will contain the sperm that will get the lady pregnant is very high. Now, there is another possibility of pregnancy happening without penetrative sex. That particular one is ART, assisted reproductive technique. But that's beyond what we're talking about today. So the question about possibility of pregnancy in a virgin, though it's rare, but it can happen. We've had a couple of providers that reported ladies that are actually virgins, they've not really had penetrative sex, presenting to the clinic and becoming pregnant. So if you don't wish to become pregnant, when you're coming in contact with the erect penis, when you're engaging in foreplay, when you're meeting with your partner, avoid contact with the vagina. Once the vagina comes in close proximity with the penis, once there is contact between any fluid that comes out from the penis and the vagina, pregnancy is possible, especially if you are younger. So there are only two ways this can happen in a virgin: through contact with the semen, which comes out from the penis and the vagina, or through assisted reproductive technique. So these are the two ways that pregnancy can happen in a virgin. So in this context, a virgin is a lady who, though has not had penetrative sex, but she has come in contact with the penis. There are so many women in this category. So if you're currently classifying yourself as a virgin, but you're playing with your boyfriend, you're playing with your partner, and when you guys are playing, there is contact between the penis and the vagina, possibility of pregnancy is very, very high. So you need to understand that. So that's my presentation. It's pretty forward, it's pretty simple, and you need to take this home. If you don't want to get pregnant, then there are so many types of contraceptives you can use. But once you engage in sexual practices, be it penetrative or non-penetrative sex, pregnancy is possible. So that's my presentation. Unfortunately, I can't see anyone in the clinic right now, but if you happen to be the only person, someone just joined now, if you're the only person in the clinic and you have some questions, please feel free and ask, and I'll provide the feedbacks before I go. Do you have any questions? Okay. Thank you for coming. Please join me to Facebook immediately in our page. I'm going to repeat this particular broadcast, then we're going to get some break. Tomorrow, we continue with the conversation on our maternal and child health clinic. So thank you for coming. If today is the first time attending my clinic in YouTube, please click on that notification button. It's going to inform you when I'm coming live, and it's going to give you the concept of a topic so you can participate in real time. Please copy the link of this video and share with all your networks. Someone might benefit from that. So I appreciate you coming around and attending my clinic today. My next clinic will be on Tuesday. My Tuesday's clinic in YouTube is normally on Tuesday evening, 6:30 p.m. 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time, 11:30 p.m. Nigerian time. Charles, thank you for dropping by. Well understood. Correct. So I'm happy it's well understood. So it's just simple as the fact that once there is contact between the penis and the vagina, pregnancy is possible. So there are virgins that will become pregnant. So long as they avoid contact with boys and the erect penis completely, then they can avoid pregnancy. But if not, pregnancy is possible. Okay? All right. Thank you, guys. I'm going to see you guys in Facebook now. And I'll see you guys again on Tuesday next week. Thank you, and bye-bye.